Now, hold on to them. Have them in an easily...
Hey everyone, welcome to New York! I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood.
Power. And then, who would we be without our Fast and Furious franchise? So naturally, there are some of those picture cars as well. One of my favorites, the gyrosphere. Expensive equipment. I'm totally joking. Above the sets, so they can spray the water into the air first, and then it falls down naturally on camera. Recreate a flash flood on the left-hand side. I want to show you the same set and the same water effect again. From the movie Big Fat Liar. It stars Frankie Muniz, Amanda Bynes, and Paul Giamatti here. And it's with a big director and a big stars from Hollywood. And it's getting crazy. We're going to get through it together. Hold on to your belongings. Hold on to your loved ones. We're going to have to just ride this out. Okay. It has just settled down for now. Oh no. For anybody who's not from California, we are an honorary California now. Let's survive an earthquake. Now, what we saw, that was a set. It's a set used on an episode of Bones, starring David Boreanaz and Emily Deschanel. On our screens, the same set, the same effects, the same earthquake brought to life. What is that? Okay, they caught the wrong shark. There's an even bigger shark in the water heading right for George. 1 second, George. George, get to your boat now. There is a shark. George, no, George, no! Oh, George, you had some guts to be in the water today, man. Oh, there they are. Wow. I am so sorry you all had to see that. We are not going to mess around with a man-eating shark. We're going to hide. Our driver, Evan's going to put us in a hiding spot. We're going to hide behind the dock with all... Oh! Okay, wow. It is a little heated on the dock. On the right-hand side, we're going to need a bigger tram. Are we all okay? How are we doing in the very back of our tram? How are we doing in cars 3 and 4? We're all right? Nobody went overboard? Okay, looks like we got everybody. The only shark in the world that can do the backstroke, going right back into position. Now our shark is very efficient. The shark for the movie Jaws had problems to tell you interior and full exterior. Now for the next part of the tour, if there are any fans of ABC's Desperate Housewives, we have a treat for you. We're gonna take you down Wisteria Lane. So this neighborhood, for 8 years, 8 seasons, this was Wisteria Lane here. Now, a new show that films here, maybe you have seen it on NBC. The new show is all about a character, Abby. She opens a bar in her backyard. Now, I want to show you guys the set. This is a new show. Imagine all of Whoville. Now, here on the lot, the Who's of Whoville, their neighbor is not the Grinch. Their neighbor may be worse. Here on the lot, the Who's of Whoville, they live right next door to a psycho. From Alfred Hitchcock's legendary film, Psycho. Today, they're probably wrapping up right now, cleaning up the area. Give some of those crew members a wave. But this is a movie called War of the Worlds. It stars Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning. We're gonna pause, let you get a photo opportunity of this area. And then, on our screens, we're gonna hear production designer Rick Carter and director Steven Spielberg. They're gonna talk about the creation of the set.
Site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood?
Okay, we're gonna move forward. We're gonna move right to the next bay here. Oh, everybody look to the right-hand side. There is a whole party going on in here. When in Rome, right? Okay, so the FBI is shutting the party down. Of course, when we get here, they gotta shut things down.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sean traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all